Destiny the Creator, and Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Hey, what's up, you guys? Happy 2020. First and foremost, we made it. Like, we made it to 2020. We made it to another decade. Let's get it popping. All those dreams and aspirations that you've been putting on hold, it's time to execute them this year. If you haven't got confirmation, this is your confirmation to go ahead and start, okay? Start today. Not tomorrow, but today. Period. I'm not going to ramble on about our goals and aspirations. We are here to discuss this hair. Okay, so this hair, I got it from Gracious Hair, located off Terra Boulevard. You know, if you in the Atlanta area, you know what I'm talking about. I have a 20-inch, a 22-inch, and a 24-inch, and I got a 16-inch frontal. I have been using this hair for a very long time. This hair, it was kind of difficult to work with this time around, but let me just make a disclaimer that this hair was not all the way bad when I bleached it and straightened it. You know, I went to Houston. Shout out to Houston, y'all. I love y'all city. I will be back. Either I'll be back to Houston or Dallas. It don't matter, but I'll definitely be back. But it wasn't all that bad on the trip. And I am going to insert a video right here. As you can see in that video, you know what I'm saying, on my birthday, I had to twist it off for one time. You know, my hair was swinging like a waterfall. It's not terrible. You'll see in the video, I had to co-wash it and stuff before I started bleaching and everything. And just, you know, bring it to life real quick, shake it back into life. Now, before this tutorial starts, I want to tell you guys that no, I did not do a tutorial on how I laid this lace front wig because, baby, I have not mastered that yet. But I promise you guys, when I master it, I'm going to come on here and I'm going to do a good tutorial. But right now, you know, I can't really do that right now because, baby, I just can't, like, you know. What kind of bitch would I be to come on here and try to teach y'all how to lay a lace front and I don't even know how to do it? I also want to make the statement that this hair is a navy blue, as you can see. Woo! Is it blue or is it black? Is it blue or is it black? Is it blue or is it black? Yeah, for real, it's blue. Don't get it twisted, boo. Hey. Yeah, we're not gonna ramble on. We're just gonna get into the video. And that's what it is. Yeah. So first off, we are going to start with some gloves. Then we have our bundles of 20-inch, 22-inch, and a 24-inch. And this is a 16-inch lace frontal. Then we have our comb here. We have a mixing bowl and a brush here. In this hair dye, we have Royal Navy and Indigo Blue by Adore. In the hair bleach, we have BW2 by Claro Professional and our 40 volume developer. Okay, now it's time to start bleaching that hair, you guys. Make sure you comb it through before you start. And right now, I am just laying it on here. I'm not really separating it as of now because, you know, just because. Also, make sure that your bleach isn't too runny. You want a nice consistency, something very thick. Right now, you see me re-upping on that bleach, you guys. Make sure you get like the big jar of bleach because let me tell you, you will run out if you try to get those little packets. And right now, you see me really working that bleach in. You know, I'm using my brush, my comb, my hands. Like, I don't want no black. I want to get every strand. Make sure that you turn your bundles over and do the same thing that you did on the other side to this side. Y'all, I'm telling you, I don't know what happened, but this hair was a struggle. Like, it was so tangly. I had to stop what I was doing and co-wash it, then bleach it. Something I never, ever had to do before. Once you're done, I like to wrap mine up in aluminum foil. You don't have to, but I do. That first one processed pretty well, so we are going to go ahead and wash that bleach out with Garnier Fructis shampoo. Then we are using this Shimmer Light shampoo just to get rid of some of that brassiness. You guys, do not leave this on your hair for more than 2 minutes because it will turn gray. Now, after you are done rinsing all that bleach out, make sure you apply some silicone mints. This is going to put some more of that moisture back into them bundles, honey. Okay. Then you just put it in a plastic bag and sit it to the side and let it deep condition. Right here, I'm just bleaching my knots, you guys. I did this watery simply because, you know, I was going to dye the whole frontal anyway. So it didn't matter if I got bleach onto my actual frontal hair. But definitely, you guys, if you want to keep your hair black, do a thicker consistency. That way it won't bleach your hair. So since I decided to put bleach on this wet hair, both of my bundles did not live to my desire, so I had to do the whole thing over again. Right now, I am just applying some of that bleach to that frontal. And you guys, y'all see my niece? Oh my gosh, she is so cute. I want to put her in one of my videos one day. She is so full of personality. I think you guys would love her. Now we're moving on to the plucking, you guys. I don't really know too much about plucking, but right now I'm just plucking that hairline. I also damped it a little bit just to make it a little easier to pluck. The main thing with plucking, just pluck in sections. Don't try to stay in one area because you will create bald spots. And yeah, this is what I'm left with, and I'm pretty happy about it. Period poo. On to the coloring, I used 3 bottles of indigo blue and 3 bottles of royal navy. I'm going in with this royal navy and I am applying it to my roots. Don't go all the way to the bottom, just to the roots. And as you are doing this lace closure frontal, make sure you do not get it on the lace, or try not to get it on the lace at least. Once we are done applying that royal navy to our roots, we are going to go in with our indigo blue and we are going to apply it to the ends. And we're also going to add a little bit onto our royal navy just to give this hair a little bit more of a highlights, lowlights look. And then we just repeat the same steps that we did for the frontal for the rest of this wig. Now you guys, I am just finishing up this wig. I'm taking a handful of this indigo blue and I'm rubbing it all over the wig. This is to create the illusion that I have highlights. This is why I didn't mind some of my bundles being darker than the other one, because you know, it gives off this blue black color, something that I really wanted. I left this hair color sit onto my hair for 24 hours, but you guys, you could wait however long you want to. I just did this because I thought, you know, it might keep it on there longer. I tried my hardest not to get color on the lace, but you guys, it happened. So I am taking some color remover. I'm just going to add some warm water. I'm going to add this color remover by L'Oreal, and I'm going to pour it into a bowl and mix it together. And then I'm just going to apply it to the lace. I tried my best to add this color remover to all the spots that were colored, and I also tried to get the end of my lace so that, you know, it can be transparent and not so dark. Now that's the end of this video. I hope you guys find this very helpful. If not, comment below if you have any questions or DM me. You know I'm always down to help. And you guys, this color gives off a blue black in the dark, and in the light it gives off a very dark blue to greenish. I will make sure I insert pictures in the end of this video. I also tried to spice up this hair. You know, I put my little bows in, and I just quick wanded my hair. I didn't want uniform curls. Y'all know me. I just like everything messy. Okay, so you guys have now reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And remember what I said about them dreams in the beginning of this video. Let's get it popping. 2020 is our year. Period. Let's go.